Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi easy way updated. Start by having a napa cabbage, salting layers, and letting it sit until leaves are pliable and slightly translucent. Rinse briefly, then prepare a spice paste blending gochugaru, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and a touch of sugar. Chop and mix veggies, coat thoroughly, then pack tightly into jars, leaving headspace and pressing out air. Store at room temperature to start fermentation. Layer flavors by using both gochugaru and a small amount of gochujang for depth, adjusting spice to taste. Keep vegetables well drained to avoid watery kimchi, and use kosher salt for even brining. Ferment jars at cool room temperature for 1 to 3 days, tasting daily, then move to the refrigerator once it reaches preferred tanginess to slow fermentation and develop complex flavor. Use clean hands or gloves while massaging paste into leaves to prevent contamination. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about spending, so I stopped hoarding jars and invested in good fermentation gear instead. Check the description for the book link and other deals if you want to explore further. Really? Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Store kimchi in the coldest part of the fridge in glass jars to preserve crunch and prevent metallic flavors. Keep headspace for gases and burp jars if needed to avoid buildup. Use kimchi within several months for best texture and incorporate into fried rice, stews, or pancakes to enjoy versatile fermented flavor and minimize waste. Freeze extra kimchi in airtight bags for longer storage and enjoy thawed kimchi in cooked dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.